हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन ऑफ माय यूट्यूब चैनल इन भैरव सीए क्लासेस। आज मैं एक बार फिर हाजिर हूँ आप लोगों के साथ करंट अफेयर्स लेके। जैसे कि हम लोगों को पता है, कुछ दिन पहले वेस्ट बंगाल सरकार की पीएससी के आईसीडीएस एंड पीएससी क्लर्कशिप के रिजल्ट निकले हैं, जिसमें करंट अफेयर्स बहुत ही मूल्यवान है। तो उसी कारण ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा करंट अफेयर्स में फोकस देना है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, ज़्यादा ना समय बर्बाद करते हुए आज की करंट अफेयर्स की पिटारा शुरू करते हैं। और हाँ, मैं एक बार फिर कहूँगा, जो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में नए हैं वो मेरे चैनल को जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट्स करना ना भूलें। और मेरे अपकमिंग वीडियो को जल्द से जल्द पाने के लिए बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलें। करंट अफेयर्स नंबर 1, यूनियन मिनिस्टर रविशंकर प्रसाद लॉन्च्ड नेक्स्ट जनरेशन स्टार्टअप चैलेंज कॉन्टेस्ट व्हिच नेम चुनौती। तो दोस्तों, इस ऐप से क्या होने वाला है? दिस कंटेंट एम टू फर्दर बूस्ट स्टार्टअप एंड सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोडक्ट विथ स्पेशल अटेंशन ऑन टायर 2 टाउन्स ऑफ इंडिया। नंबर 2, सीएम ऑफ केरला पिनाराई विजयन कमीशन्ड द फर्स्ट एवर मेरीन एम्बुलेंस नेम प्रतीक्षा। कुछ बातें केरला के लिए। सीएम ऑफ केरला है पिनाराई विजयन and Kerala's capital is Tiruvananthapuram. Number 3, PM of Japan Shinzo Abe announced his resign from the post of PM because of the poor health condition. Shinzo became the longest service prime minister in Japan history. Number 4, 14th India-Singapore defense policy was held virtually. In this policy, they agreed to further improve security tie-up between two countries. Number 5, Dani John Bravo became the first bowler in cricket to scalp 500 wickets in T20 cricket. Number 6, Sri Lankan cricketer Nishat Tharanga Paranavitana has announced retirement from all form of cricket. Number 7, 29th August every year observed National Sports Day. First National Sports Day celebrated on 29th August 2012 on birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand. Number 8, International Day Against Nuclear Test is observed on 29th August since 2010. Aim of the day to increase awareness about the effect of nuclear weapon test. Number 9, Black Panther actor Chadwick Boseman passed away after a 4-year battle with colon cancer. Number 10, former Supreme Court Judge A.R. Lakshmanan passed away. He was appointed as the Supreme Court Judge in 2002. Number 11, 51st International Film Festival of India will held in Goa from November 20th to 28th. Number 12, recently CISF has made in-house mobile app named Pensioners Corner. तो इस ऐप से क्या होने वाला है? Buy this app to bring them on the digital platform and information about all important circular such as job opportunities. Number 13, India's former athletic coach Purushottam Rai passed away. He passed away a few hours before receiving the Dronacharya Award, the highest sporting award for coach of India. Number 14th, United Nations observed International Day of the Victim of Enforced Disappearance globally on 30th August every year. Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. Number 15, India and Russia have been joint winners of Fight Online Chess Olympiad. Fight Online Chess Olympiad held for first time due to coronavirus pandemic. Around 163 countries took part in the online tournament. Number 16, first time Gujarat commence seaplane services in Gujarat from 31st October 2020. This seaplane service start on the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 17, Uttar Pradesh government has been launched Major Dhyan Chand Vijaypat Yojana. Under this scheme, 19 international players get road connectivity to their house. Number 18. Kerala will establish the first international women's trade center. Under this scheme, women entrepreneurs to participate in international trade. Hence, it will enable greater economic benefit. Number 19. Government of Dubai Authority on Commodities, Dubai Multi Commodity Centers has launched a platform named Agiota E-Market Places. तो इस प्लेटफॉर्म से क्या होगा? By this platform, Indian farmers directly connect to UAE's food industry and block gap between farmers to stakeholders. And the last, 20. Ministry of Home Affairs recently issued guidelines for Unlock 4. The Unlock 4 guidelines will be effect from 1st September 2020 for pandemic situation of COVID-19.